Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
USP ka East Khas Hills, uba Vivek CM, ulaong ba uraja uklam ya Ithuh Ithaw bad ki Ngut katay u Akash Rajput u Vishal Singh Chauhan bad u Anan Kurmi hendai ki kalalong parlok namar bakadi jing Thmu Lypa jong ki bad ka Sunam hak ba anda kilalong parlok kini ki Ngut ki Ïathuh bakimut ban Leit kai sah Dawki kumta uraja ulaong ba mau bad ka Sunam ru kimut ban Leit kai sah Dawki habagli hakbede bagajing toket ki bahyeng jong ka Sunam uva Vivek ulaong bakila pha ya kaginhuan she indoor ban toket yaki
angle. If somebody was to gain from Raja's death, like you said, if Raja was going to bag a contract, we will verify all these. In fact, right now as we are speaking, my team is there in Indore. They have gone to the flat of the flat where Sonam was kept. They have conducted search out there. The flat is empty, but they will be camping in Indore for actually questioning a lot of things. No, Raja is not known. These three were not known to Raja. In fact, once they made friends, and since the plan was known to Sonam and these three people, so when they said that they'll go to Dawki, Raja automatically made friends with them because they're from. They had said that they're going to MP, also to Dawki. And so they made plans together that from here they'd go to Dawki. They've never visited this place. They have not heard about this place before also. According to them, it's by chance. But we will explore that, like I said, whether they've come here before. And if they've come here before, then they'd be familiar with the place.